Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open your own booth and start trading in Fish It game of Roblox new trading update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The trading and city expansion update has been released in Fish It game of Roblox, and in this update, you'll be able to open your own booth and start trading. First of all, you need to go to the Fisherman Island, and you need to go to this portal to go to the Trading Plaza. And I'm going to teleport. All right. Okay, wait guys, I'm still teleporting to the plaza. Okay, this is the trade plaza, and you can claim the empty booth. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Click on claim booth, and you're going to edit your booth. I've already inserted some fishes to this booth. If you want to edit it, you can click on edit, and you can choose something that you want to sell. I'm gonna click on edit. Wait guys. Okay, it can be both spades, emote, or enchant stone, charms, and so on. And I'm just going to pick random fish from my inventory. Okay, and you can set the price here. I'm just going to set 2, and you will need the token guys to buy something. Okay, and to get the token, you can click on this menu. Unfortunately, you need to have Robux to buy the token, or you can get it from another player from selling your fish or your items. But for now, my total sale is still 0. I think it's not really good event because we need to spend Robux. It's not free. Okay guys, and that's how you can open your booth and start trading in Fish It game of Roblox new trading update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.